Da. I upgraded our base, and this is it. So, Ender Steve and Star. So, once in a cage, door, and so here I'll give you a tour. Here's a chip. Here's we have three large chest, three mini chest, but you can't see the other one. The other one is down here, and we have two furnaces, and as you hear, we have dug. There's Boopy, Boppy, and Butt. So this is our new home. I figured out the problem. We cannot use the chat thing anymore. I know. That's why we do it. Ate, look at the house na I upgraded. Where are you? Are you going to be in the spawn point? Yes. Yes, still I showed them now. Go to them the new house. Part. There's the log. That's okay. I got to you, and then where are you, ate? You're inside the cave. I see you right now. Do you see me? Naka-iron? No. Get here, diba, oh? Where's it then? Go to the jungle. What jungle? Where the cave is. There's something. Follow me. I'll show you the house. Look there, oh. As a player proof. So if they'll try and jump over the fence, get tan, and then you heard girl, then my dogs. Ay, sorry. Oh no, I'm stuck. Where? In the web. You wait going to fall. Ay, ate, wait, I'll give you an armor. There. And then, ate, dig this part here, Dig this part here. This? Yes. The volleyball stuff is there. And then, come up, Come here. Here. Cover it, baka. Here, oh. Wow. Even have a doggies. A doge. Boppy, Bloppy, and Boopy. I already said hey guys. I think I'm going out my you make bonsai good stuff. Ay, ate! You forgot to go and get the like that. Our daily like that. Our daily ores. Forgot to just go and get it. Stay. Stay. Ate, there's a sword in the hidden chest if you like. Defending yourself. Oh no, sit. Oh, ate, Boopy. No. My dogs want to kill you.
Because you hit me.
Kill them in the way. Then in the sand chest. In the
They're all
sand.
empty.
You're all. This one is not empty. The metal one. Ate, you're all. This one is not in the. It's not empty. Why?
Two lines.
I think you gotta din na.
Wait. No, why are you gonna kill me?
Okay. Let's go and get the food now.
Hey everybody, this is my Minecraft game again.
Eat the very good. Here na ate pork chop. Step 4.
And then, if you want to join his server, I'll show you the secret chest.
If you want team up with this, you are meaningless.
It's so dark here.
Forgot to place the torch.
And then, stupid dog.
Let's
I'm gonna click now.
Puppy!
I'm just gonna record for a while because I'm eating and let's go explore.
I gave you a pork chop. You don't have the pork chop. You need to have some bacon. Because in bacon we trust.
So,
Creeper! Attack you!
where's the lily?
Creepers in the hole. I let them blow up each other. There's also a TNT in the chest. Ate, you like some more robbies? Stay there, wait, stay there. Yay, there. So guys, if you want to sign up for the beta, say, type in the chat, hashtag PE server coming up. Also place it in Ate Dani's channel. PE server coming up.
Here's a sneak peek of my armor.
Ate Dani. Also this one.
Try to kill me yet? So what are
Oh yeah,
these?
potion effects. Potion effects. You see the
Found
bubbles?
one.
Yeah. There's also poison if you get poisoned by the cave spider. I'll make Bantay your character. Don't exit, I'll make Bantay. You're like the bait. The shark bait.
Yes.
She's looking at her recording right now. So, go to her channel. At the time you say the name of your channel. Dennis Ruiz. Wow.
Ito talaga, men.
Why you need to do like Dennis Ruiz like that? Huh?
Where are we going?
We're not going to Bimbo or Bimbo.
Mm.
Ay! We need to check pa lang what's the price of the rabbits. Yes, you like to go now? I'll make vlog. Like this.
Yun, just chip lang, men.
I'll go and let's go and like that. Okay guys, I'll end the recording but stay tuned for a vlog in 1 hour.